Hi, grade 3. So today I'm just explaining some of the work that we're doing in our Jump Math book today. I'm looking on page 172, and at the top it says we are building pyramids and prisms. I'm looking at the gray section at the very top of page 172, and it says a skeleton of a 3D shape has only edges and vertices. To make a skeleton of a pyramid, step 1, make a polygon using clay balls for vertices and toothpicks for edges. The polygon is the base of the pyramid. Step 2, add a toothpick to each vertex. Step 3, join the loose toothpicks to one vertex at the top. So remember, in the previous video, a pyramid has a point at the top. The prism is the one that has the two matching bases on either side, and then the pyramid is the one that has a flat base and then a point at the top. Don't be confused with the cone, because those are all curved edges, so that's not a pyramid. Okay, now I will say this. I did ask your parents to see if they could get some supplies for you, but don't worry. If you don't have toothpicks and balls of clay, you can be creative and find something that works for you today. Not to worry. So what I didn't even have toothpicks. I thought, should I go out and buy toothpicks? And then I thought, no, I can find something that, in my house that I could use. So what did I find? And this is even better for the video because toothpicks are kind of small. So look what I found. What do you think these are? These are chopsticks. So let me just kind of try to talk and I show you this at the same time. What I used was chopsticks, and I found some plasticine that I had, and I found a plate, because if you're using plasticine, it can get a little dirty, so you might want to put a plate down so that it protects the surface. Okay, so step 1, make a polygon using clay balls for vertices and toothpicks for edges, or chopsticks in my case. Now, if you don't have toothpicks and you don't have chopsticks, you could use straws. You could use pencil crayons, as long as they're the same length. So the sticks that you're using should all be the same length. So you can get a ruler out and try to find some, maybe it's a brand new pack of pencil crayons or markers. Or if you're outside, you could find sticks and measure, use your ruler to find sticks and maybe break them so they're all the same length. Okay, so just be really creative and find something that works for you. So I chose chopsticks and plasticine. So the base, I did the base first, and I'm not going to take it apart because mine's a little finicky. So the base is here. This is the base. It's actually a square. So I put that together first. I put my 4 sticks on the bottom, and then I joined them with the plasticine clay. And that's step 1. Step 2, add a toothpick to each vertex. So to each vertex, the vertex, remember, is the point, the place where the line segments connect. And now this is a skeleton because we don't have any of the faces, right? You can kind of, it's like the frame inside of a house. It just gives you an idea of what the shape looks like, and it's kind of fun to make these. So step 2, add a toothpick. So add one of these for every vertex, which I did already. And then step 3, you're joining them at the top with a big glob of something. Okay, and that's what I did. So I have a point at the top, so you can see mine. And I'll turn it around a bit. This was kind of fun to make. So this would be it has a square base. So this would be a square base pyramid. And now you're going to use this same idea to make your pyramids and your prisms. Just try. It'll be fun. Just have fun with it. Don't get stressed about it. And I will write in the lesson plans you don't have to do every single thing on this page. I'll write on the lesson plans what numbers I want you to do. Enjoy and have fun.